Hello students, now I will solve the exercise of class 8 lesson 7 page number 97. First A question is MCQ multiple choice question. First question is Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in option B 1972 is the correct answer. Second question, the Great Indian Bustard is option B endangered species. It is the correct option. Now the page number 98, third question. Which steps should be taken for the conservation of forest? Option A, B and C. All is correct. That's why you will choose the option D, all of these. Now fourth question. Deforestation causes. Option D, all of these is correct. Now fifth question. The number of national parks in India is option D, 97 is the correct. Now B, true and false type questions. First is a national park has a larger area than a biosphere reserve. It is false. Second is there is no biodiversity in hot dry desert. It is false. Third question, IUCN Red List contain the names of all species of plants and animals. It is false. Now fourth, biodiversity is caused due to variation in gene pool. It is true. Now fifth question, forest fires are caused only because of the carelessness of humans. It is false. Now fill in the blanks. First question is Gir forest is situated in Gujarat. Second, the red data book provides information on threatened species given in the red list. Question third, organisms in their natural habitat are called biome, BIOME. Now fourth question, Corbett National Park is located in Uttarakhand. Now fifth, is a protected area. Answer is wildlife sanctuary is a protected area where wild animals cannot be killed. Now option D, write one word for the following. First question, a wise and judicious use of all natural resources. It is called conservation. Second question, the protected multi-purpose areas developed to conserve biodiversity, biosphere reserve. Third question is an area which is strictly reserved for the protection of wild animals, wildlife sanctuary. Fourth question, the species which are likely to become endangered species, vulnerable species. Fifth, redevelopment of forest by planting more trees in place of the trees destroyed, reforestation, reforestation. Students, now see the page number 99, short answer type questions. First is what are endemic species? Which places have large number of endemic species? Students, answer of this question is given on the page number 95, heading is endemic species. Second question, what are the three main causes of deforestation? You will write the answer from the page number 90 where various reasons of deforestation is given. Now third question, in what way is a biosphere reserve different from a sanctuary? Students, you will write down the answer from the page number 94 and 95. Actually, biosphere reserve is a big area where limited activities are provided, but in the sanctuary, no human being, no any human being can do any activity. Even human beings are not allowed to go there, except those who are taking care of the wild animals, that is engaged there after the permission of the government. Forest workers. Now fourth questions, what is conservation? Students, you will write down the answer after reading the heading conservation. Actually, conservation is the protection of all natural things found in the nature. It requires the sensible use of all natural resources, that is water, soil, mineral and wildlife, including the forest. So judicious use of all the natural resources is called conservation. Fifth, why do peoples go for hunting? Peoples go for hunting for a lot of the reasons, as for the meat, for recreation work, and to remove the pest that cause any harm to their plants and animals, reared plant and animals, and for other purpose also. So you will write down the answer Now long answer question on the page number 99. First long question is, what are the biosphere reserves? What are the objectives of setting up biosphere reserves? You will write down the answer by the page number 94. Heading is biosphere reserve there. Second question, write a short note on Project Tiger. Its answer is given on the page number 95. You will read it, then you will write it in your copy. Now third question, what is the major threat to wildlife today? You will write down the answer by page number 91. Causes of depletion of wildlife. Now fourth question, what measures would you take to protect and preserve the endangered species in India? Students, its answer is given on the page number 93. You will write down from there. Now fifth question, explain how wildlife is responsible for the maintenance of environment. Students, its answer is given on the page number 91. Heading is wildlife. First you will read all the headings, then you will write down the answers. Students, you will complete all the exercise in your copy. Thank you.